Hi guys, welcome to my open house. I am at 3734 North Lakewood in the heart of Southport Corridor on one of the prettiest streets around here. It's a double wide street, which you can kind of see behind me. It's mostly these beautiful Greystones, so it's both single family homes and multi-units, but again, most of these multi-units have been converted to single-family homes. It's a one-way street, so not a lot of traffic, always plenty of parking, and my listing 3734 is right behind me here. And I'm going to flip the camera. Let's go in. So it's a very majestic Greystone single-family home. I suspect originally it might have been a two-unit building. It was restored probably about 15 years ago. And my owners, as well as the owners right before them, have made some significant changes and upgrades. One of the things that I think is really important is that front porch here was rebuilt and renovated, and when that was done, a snow melt system was added to these front steps. And anybody that has limestone steps knows that these are extremely sensitive, and unless you have a snow melt, difficult to maintain. So it's really nice that you can not worry about the snow in the middle of the winter. I'm coming up and you have this gorgeous antique double door with original hardware. And here I am at the house. So to the right, a built-in mirror. It's an antique mirror. It's really nice to have when you first come in. And this gracious foyer, stairs going up. Those are two of the occupants hanging up there and watching me do this open house. So in the front, there is this really nice size living room. All the vintage detail has been beautifully restored. You have the original columns, you have beautiful hardwood floors, and then you can see how large the dining room is with the built-in hutch there and an antique chandelier. To my right, there's a coat closet, and that's how you go down to the lower level. So again, I'm gonna give you a different perspective here. Hello, Marianne. Thanks so much for joining. So here we go. I'm looking at the foyer from the dining area. I'm walking into the kitchen right now. To my right is a family room. Hi, Karen. Hi, Judy. Thanks for joining. So here we have a fireplace and another built-in. This is a wood-burning fireplace and a family room. You have a TV above the fireplace. And then this is actually a learning board. It's not another TV. My clients' kids are little geniuses, so this is how they study. Powder room, beautiful color fixtures. I love the wainscoting. And a pantry. So my clients completely redid this kitchen. And I love the contrast of the modern, clean, super simple design, which, by the way, is not inexpensive. Simple does not mean inexpensive. It's actually elegant and quite pricey. This kitchen renovation was $200,000. This is one of the best kitchens in the world. The brand is Eggersman, and it's a kitchen that you can customize with, wow, you can customize it like a Bentley, seriously. I mean, it's, look at this. So I'm gonna push this and it just flips open. And then there is a button here. Hold on. And wow, and it closes. These drawers have double drawers here. I mean, this is not soft close, this is like delicate close. And then you have this beautiful glass backsplash. Plenty of cabinet space here. Here's your more storage. Dishwasher. Miele, obviously, only the best. More Miele appliances, and then this cabinet I'm touching. And check this out. Like, this is organization galore. I mean, so beautiful. A Subzero refrigerator, and then this is another fridge right here for my client's beer collection. This area right here would be probably ideal for like a little dining table, but there's just so much dining space here in the kitchen. My clients mostly use this island, but if you wanted to have a little banquette built in this corner, I think it would be a perfect spot right here. I'm going to let you have a glance of the backyard. So this blank backyard was just refinished with the brick patio. Right here. And my clients left a border, so if you want to do some planting right here, there's room for tomatoes or flowers or whatever it is that you love to grow. Okay, so coming back, you have nice crown molding here, all custom light fixtures. And we're going to go upstairs now. Again, vintage detail. This is the original staircase here. And the carpet was all replaced. I really love how they have carpet on the stairs because it's just so easy to slip on these floors, especially for kids. So going up, you have a beautiful skylight here. And then I'm going to go to my left, and that's the boys' bedroom. Another, Judy, yes, oak floor stained. Well, if I had to have my guess, it's probably Jacobian. Coming in, another mirror, and a very good sized bedroom right here. Lots of natural sun, and then look at this view here. I mean, you're looking at this gorgeous street with all these beautiful greystones. I think this is one of those things that you can't really price, but it's just so special to be living here. Hello. And this bedroom has its own bathroom. So Carrara marble floors and mosaic tile here, a rain head, handheld shower, the whole works. Thank you, Judy. And then there's a little balcony here, which my clients actually use. They kind of do a New York style, climbing through the window, but they do have a lot of views here. That's why you have the furniture here. Okay, so we're gonna go into the master right now. I love these French doors here. Coming into the master bedroom. And a gas fireplace with a gorgeous limestone surround. The master bathroom is quite spacious. Really nice polished nickel plumbing fixtures and light fixtures, custom mirrors, and a custom vanity. This cat, I think he thinks he's my little assistant. Very social. And then for your linens, you have a built-in hutch here. Separate shower with body sprays. And a water closet. So now I am going to go to 2 more bedrooms in the back. Oh, sorry, I have to show you the closet. Good sized closet with a skylight. And then these French doors have these Venetian shades, so you can close them for privacy. So another neat feature about this house is this laundry chute. Isn't that cool? More built-ins right here, another bathroom, and this bathroom again has very beautiful fixtures, custom vanity, and a tub. And I love how this white subway tile contrasts with this gorgeous marble here. And if you look at these doorknobs, I mean, these are the original doorknobs that came with the house that have been beautifully restored. It's dual heating and air conditioning. Here's one furnace. I'm walking into this huge bedroom here in the back. Lots of natural light. And then I'm going to let you see it from this perspective so you can see the size. And a closet right there. And then finally, your 4th bedroom is right here, and it's probably best used as an office if you don't need the 4th bedroom, but if you do, then you just close this door, and voila, you have the 4th bedroom. Look at this hallway. How pretty is this hallway with all the natural wood? So elegant. Okay. So I was told that you're not supposed to be moving very fast with a video because you can give your viewers a headache, so I'm just going to go really slowly. I'm going to go down to the basement. I'm going to show you this beautiful chandelier one more time. And I'm heading down slowly. So again, coat closet right here. And now leaving the main floor, going down to the lower level. So the first thing you will notice about the lower level is how much natural light you get here. This is where the family hangs out to watch movies, listen to music. There's a little desk area here if the kids want to do their homework. And then this is your media room with a very fancy surround sound system, which my client is going to take with him because it costs a lot of money. Now look at the detail here on these stairs. Isn't it amazing? Hardwood floors. They're in a beautiful shape. And then here we go. This is the whole media room down here. So remember that laundry chute? This is where it ends up. So you have a laundry room here. Plenty of space. And then I'm going towards the back. I'm going to show you there's this huge storage room here on the left. Let me turn it on. And this is your second furnace. I'm probably moving too fast now. Okay, so this thing does not come with the house. It's actually mining Bitcoin. I find it fascinating. Like, I just think the whole concept of Bitcoin is fascinating. And you know, this is the first time I see a machine like this. Has anybody seen anything like this before? I mean, it just cracks me up. I mean, it's fantastic. So anyways, so here's the 5th bedroom. So at some point, someone took this wall down. There is a bathroom right here. My client's using this as an office, so they don't need the wall. But the wall could certainly be put back up, or just keep it like this, and when guests are staying down here, they will probably not mind that much because it's a lot of room and natural light is abundant. So this is the back staircase. I'm going to go back to the kitchen. I'm going to finish this up, but really nice area here where you can leave your shoes and coats and whatever. House has a 2-car garage. Going back up. I mean, look at the gorgeous finish on this cabinet. I went to a showroom for Eggersman, and I absolutely fell in love with their product. I mean, the level of customization they can do is truly remarkable. And that's why they can charge $200,000 for a kitchen. And that's probably not even that expensive by their standard. All right. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. This was fun. And I'll be doing these, I think, for a while now. So enjoy the rest of the day and shoot me a message if you guys have any questions. And I will talk to you all soon. Thank you, Judy. Thank you, Silvana. Thank you, Gilbert. Really nice to see you guys. Anka, good to see you. Take care. Bye.